I guess this is the video you guys have all been waiting for, and I guess it's time. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I obviously am Send It Steve, and this, I know you guys haven't heard in a while, but this is my 99 C5 Corvette. So as you can tell, it has been on the channel, kind of sitting in the back burner and all that. We've been focusing a lot on the 53 project and the Bruce project. Obviously we got our new camper. I've been literally neglecting and kind of steering away from this car for so long, and well, it is time that I kind of, you know, grab the reins and well, it's time to get it back together. So without further ado, all I really have to do is put the subframe under it, and then hopefully, now the injectors were sitting open, but we do have to put injectors in it. Now, as you do know, we did sell the twin turbo kit off of this vehicle. We got to get our fuel injectors in. We got to get the subframe under. So I mean, why not get started? And then once it's all done, I kind of have some news for it. All right, well, we don't have the front end or anything like that bolted on, so that I'm not knocking it around and scratching it all up and breaking it, we're just gonna go ahead and pull the fenders and the bumper off real quick, and then we'll get it all reattached. This over here out of the way. Couldn't get the fender off, that way when I bump it, it don't just fall. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. It really opens her up. That's always fun. Alrighty guys, well, we are making great headway, and this definitely, you know, it would be a lot easier with a two-man job. And I'm also noticing that the motor mounts that I've been using are a little hard to line up. It is what it is. I remember from when I did the turbo kit install and everything that they do sit about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch forward on the car, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have to go ahead, and I'm not sure if you can see in there, but go ahead and get them set down into place. But I am missing one bolt, and it is the steering shaft. Kind of a downside of somebody helping you tear it apart. You don't know where they laid everything, and as I did know, or I'm not sure if you see it in the footage or not, I had to keep running back to that side because it seemed like everything was sitting over on that side of the car. But it is what it is. We are slowly making headway. The C5 will live again. Let me go ahead and get some things zipped up here, and we're gonna sit it down on the ground. I'm literally jacking this behind my back just so you guys can see. There's a lot that goes on in videos, and it's definitely oftentimes hard to record everything. But I tried to do it for you guys, and especially on this car. You guys seem to like this car. Anytime I post about it, it gets really good feedback. So here I am, plugging and chugging, sweating, getting dirty, all for the love of the C5. I keep fighting with it. Not no more. Easy trick, put a pry bar under. We can officially start getting rid of some of these zip ties, because this is our headlights. So we'll actually have pop-up headlights again, plus all of this wiring here, which we'll probably leave some of it, but we'll have factory fog lights, turn signals, everything. I am freaking getting excited, guys. I freaking love this car. Cannot wait to drive it again. All right, well, I'm just thankful that this isn't snow, but it is starting to rain here a little bit, and I mean, go figure, we're putting the C5 back together. So we got the subframe and everything all up under. The suspension is ready to go. I got the headlights actually bolted to where they need to be. They are actually part of the fender once again. So now it's time to get the fender liners on. The fenders are on. It's now time to get the fenders on. Alrighty, so now we actually went ahead and mated the headlights to the actual inner fender liners, which you do know the floppy ones that I did have in here, or the other ones, they didn't really bolt to the fender very well, or the frame, but these bolt directly to the frame, meaning that the liner is good. So now it's time to go ahead and get the fenders on, And I mean, we are plugging and chugging. I am glad that we took today to get this done. I know Danny's probably not excited about it. We got some things down there we need to get taken care of, but we are going to have the C5 back up and running. Oh, look. Who remembers Miles, guys? Look, Miles is still running, which if you guys don't remember, it was a Denali that we had back in the day that we were going to do some things too, but I mean, they just offered me too much money to keep him. So, all right, well, Miles, take care. Miles probably has 350 on it by now. He drives it every single day, 0 issues. Let's keep plugging and chugging. I got the wheels out here because we are going to actually put the C6 wheels back on it. I mean, well, the fronts. We're going to leave the radials on the back. We might actually put the C6s on the back, but for now, for what we got going on, we're just going to leave the radials on the back. But we're going to get some dyno time very, very soon, I hope. Looks torqued from my house. Alrighty, guys and girls, I am freaking pumped, to say the least. I feel like I've said it 30 times in the video, but we actually have a front end. I mean, it's not coming off. You couldn't do that to the old one. It would have fell off. I mean, holy smokes, guys and girls, we have a Corvette back together and in one piece. Now, the only thing that we have to do yet is get a set of injectors, but I think I have a set. I have a pair of nozzle tops or extenders on order. They just haven't arrived. I believe they're actually supposed to be here tomorrow, which will be Thursday, which will probably be the same day that you're viewing this, or you'll be seeing it late tonight, which is Wednesday. But man, now it's time to get it loaded up and dropped to its next destination. I hope you guys are excited, but let me grab the winch, the trailer, and we're gonna go ahead and get it hooked up and ready to rock and roll. But we're gonna go ahead and get it hooked up and onto the trailer and ready for its new residence. Well, just on the trailer. Alrighty guys, so this is where we're gonna leave off. The C5 kind of looks a little miserable, yet it still looks good. So I don't know where we're gonna go with this yet. I don't know what 100% we're gonna do or anything like that, but we have it loaded up and it's ready for its new destination. And obviously, you know, it won't be here because we got enough stuff. Now that my scrap pile is unloaded, we gotta throw that in the bed of the truck and go ahead and get that dumped. But I mean, the C5 is, you know, it's a work in progress, guys, to say the least. But there you have it, guys. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I know you guys probably wanted a startup or something like that, but like I did say, we are still missing the injector clips. I do have injectors, but I need the extenders to go on top. My fuel rails are adjustable, but I was still getting a little bit of a leak, so I'm gonna get the extenders, which should be here tomorrow actually, and then we'll be able to run this thing and fire it up. But for now, it is what it is. We got the front end on, it's solid, and it's pretty well back together, and we can actually hopefully start driving it by the end of the month. So there you have it, guys. Well, the end of August, that's what we're shooting for. To be able to drive it by the end of August, there's Corvettes Carlisle coming up, which we'll have it done and everything for that. So if you guys are coming out to Corvettes Carlisle, you will see me and the C5 there. So with that being said, guys, please, again, smash that like button. Please subscribe, and I will see you in an upcoming video. Man, it looks like the front end's super high there. Huh. We need to lower it. Yeah, let's get it running first. Take care, guys. See you in the next upload.